everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. Today guys, we're going to be talking about skincare. The new skincare line that Marykay just launched, the Marykay Naturally line. Oh my goodness, it is so amazing. I cannot believe that we now have a natural line and I'm so excited. So if you want to learn more about this new product, how I use it in my skincare routine, all the benefits of it, and how to use it, then keep on watching. This isn't like a first impression because I have already been using this product for weeks now and I'm so excited to talk about it because I'm blown away. With the skincare line, Marykay also launched the new Skinvigorate Sonic Cleansing Brush. This is the brush, you guys. It is so beautiful. Now with this product, this is going to be a first impression because I haven't used it. I wanted to come on camera to use it with you guys and just to get a first impression reaction. So this is the old brush that we had, the new Skinvigorate Cleansing Brush. Love this brush. I've still been using it, which is why I haven't started with this one. I just turn my lights down. So these are both brushes. Okay, you can see this one is much bigger. And the difference in them is that this is the new one, you can hear it, and this is the other one. So if you look, what do you notice? One spins and the other doesn't. So the new one doesn't spin. It kind of pulsates. I don't know how to explain it. It's like vibrates or something, but the old one does. Now another major difference is that this one has 3 speeds and this one has just 2. Plus, this is battery operated, okay? If you use this brush, you already know the batteries go in here, but this one is going to be rechargeable. It comes with a rechargeable cord, a USB cord here, which you can attach to the bottom and then plug it in, which is great because you don't have to keep buying batteries. That way you save money. So they talked about skincare in seminar. They gave us more information about it, and you know, it was so exciting. Right off the bat, I can tell you that I was particularly excited about the oil and the exfoliating powder. Those two immediately drew me in. Like I was like, okay, that I know for sure I'm gonna add to my time-wise 3D skincare routine. Because if you know about beauty oils and stuff, it's super beneficial for the skin, which is why I'm so excited that Marykay came out with an oil. They have the new Purifying cleanser and the Moisturizing stick. Now this stick is one I haven't actually tried because I use my Time-Wise moisturizer day and night. So I haven't honestly had any cause to use this. Maybe in the winter because you can actually use it on, you know, your elbows and knees and areas of your skin that you get wicked dry. Some of the ingredients in this product line are sweet almond oil, antioxidant packed corn flour, floral water, moisturizing candidalia wax, which are just a few of the products that are infused into the skincare line. Now, these products are paraben-free, free of phthalates, synthetic fragrance, synthetic dyes, SLS and SLES. All right, so they don't have any of that. So the cleanser is actually 99.49 natural origin, and this is because it does have some preservatives so that it can last longer on your shelf compared to the other products. The other 3 products, the exfoliating powder, the nourishing oil, and the moisturizing stick, all 100% natural origin. Okay guys, there is so much to talk about, but we're just gonna jump right in. So first we're gonna start with the Purifying cleanser. Listen, like I told you guys, I was immediately drawn to the oil and the exfoliating powder, okay? The cleanser on the other hand, I thought, yeah, I'm just gonna stick with my Time-Wise, okay? But this cleanser is actually really good, you guys. Like, it's really good. You can't see it on camera, but right now I'm down to here, about half the bottle. That's how much I love it. I've been using it now even more than my Time-Wise 3D, which is shocking to me. I never thought that this would win my heart like that, but it really has. It's got a milky texture, okay? It's kind of milky. It's so good. And the thing about this cleanser is that it doesn't foam, doesn't lather, because again, it's natural. They didn't put any of the ingredients in it to make it lather, so it doesn't lather. So they actually tell you to use it with a cotton pad. And I actually like to massage into my skin first and then go in with my brush. Now the brush is on. It's almost like vibrating. So when I do any kind of exfoliation, my face turns red. This is the reason why it's good to use like a cleansing brush to wash your face. I don't have any makeup on, but you can see how much dirt still came off my face. All right, so this is why it's good to have a cleansing brush. I really love this cleanser. It's infused with cornflower flora water and sweet almond oil, so it's really nice on the skin. Typically, I like to do my exfoliation at nighttime, but you know, for the purpose of this video, I am going to show you how to use exfoliating powder and how I've been using it. So you have two ways. You can actually use this powder with water, then scrub your face, or you can use it with the nourishing oil. I've been loving this oil. Okay, I can't stop touching my face because it's so good. It feels so good. I turn my lights down because I want you to really see what I'm doing. Okay, so when you get it, that's how it is. It's got a nice little seal. I didn't take my seal off. I like to leave it on there because I feel it's a good protective barrier for the product to keep it fresh. I'm going to show you what it does if you mix it with water. Okay, and I think it's pretty cool. I'm going to take a little spray bottle and we're going to mix that. So when you put water in it, it actually fizzes because baking soda is one of the ingredients in it. So yeah, you can choose to use that with water, but again, I like to use it with my oil. What I like to do is take 2 or 3 drops of the oil in there. You want to get it mixed very nicely and not to be too dry. And now I want to exfoliate. Okay, now, so I've washed my face at the sink. I've just rinsed it off. And oh my goodness, my skin is so soft. This product is amazing, you guys. Like, you really need to get your hands on it. When it comes to exfoliating, you have to exfoliate your skin at least once a week. So the next step now would be moisturizing. So this is the part where I would go with my moisturizer, or if I'm using a serum for that day, I'll put on my serum first, then go my moisturizer. But I want to show you how I like to implement the nourishing oil. Again, you see there are great ways you can use the nourishing oil. And what's great about this product is that you can also use it on the ends of your hair. It's great for your nails, you know, because it's really nourishing. It's got sweet almond oils in it. And it's also got vitamin E, which is a great antioxidant, which helps to fight the free radicals in the environment. So that helps to protect your skin too. So I like to go on my eye cream first. Just go gently using your ring finger to apply your eye cream. I like to use this oil at nighttime before bed. If you're someone with very dry skin, I'm sure you can get away with using maybe 1 drop with your moisturizer in the daytime. But I am combination to oily skin, so I don't need much because I do get oily throughout the day. But at nighttime, here's what I do for my skin. I go with my 3D night cream. So I take 1 to 2 drops of the oil, okay? And I mix it with my moisturizer. All right, this is what I personally like to do. And then I just apply it on my skin. You can absolutely apply your moisturizer first and go over with a few drops of oil, but I just like to mix them together. We do have the moisturizing stick. And again, I said this is a product I actually haven't tried on my face before because I do like to use my 3D, but once it touches the skin, it does melt. It's made from candidalia wax, which is great for the skin. It actually smells real good. It's very nice. I actually like it. I don't know. It kind of reminds me of shea butter, or ori, as we say in my country. This product is said to be great for, you know, the dry skin, you know, dry areas of the skin. Especially, you know, that now that winter is coming, I get really dry and ashy in my elbows and knees. So, you know, areas where you get really, really dry, it's a great product you can use to apply over there. The moisturizing stick is actually very nice. It's not as heavy as I thought it would be in my mind. So yeah, it actually feels really nice because it is also a protectant. So it kind of helps to lock in moisture. So I think it'd be great during the winter. So let's talk about the facial massage head. Now, this is a product you would use on your Skin Vigorate Sonic cleansing brush and use it to massage. You can pair it with a pore minimizing serum, the tone correcting serum, and of course the nourishing oil. What is my take? Because I've been using this product for weeks now, and I can tell you that my skin is definitely different. It's definitely improved. This skincare line was created with natural products, so they're very beneficial for the skin. You don't have to switch fully. You don't have to drop your Time-Wise Repair or drop your 3D or your botanicals or whatever skincare products you are using currently. I would say take pieces from it and mix and match. Remember, all marykay products are formulated to work together, so you can absolutely mix and match. I've been blown away by the cleanser, but I still use my 3D cleanser. So you can use one in the morning, use the other at nighttime. You see what I'm saying? They all are formulated to work together, so it's not going to irritate your skin. And let me tell you, I'm definitely giving it a double thumbs up. It has been great for my skin. My skin has definitely improved. It's so smooth. It feels like a baby's butt. I don't know what else to say, but except that you should give it a try. And all the products in this line currently aren't sold in a set. And I think the reason the company did that, I don't know, but I'm guessing they did that because, you know, they know that it can be used as add-ons into what you currently are using. Because if you look at it the way it's designed, it doesn't have like a day cream and a night cream and an eye cream and all that. It's just a face wash and no oil and a stick and the exfoliating powder. So I think they made it that way so you can just incorporate pieces into your current routine. So that is it, you guys. If you have any comments or questions about this new skincare line, definitely leave your comments down at the bottom. If you have a beauty consultant, reach out to her, ask about trying out this product, you know, incorporate a few pieces from this product into your skincare routine. Your skin will benefit from them greatly. I'm so excited. I'm super excited. I'm loving the natural line. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and of course subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell button in the corner so you get notified every time I upload. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.